All right, we are on our way back from Barbados
To Nashville.
to Nashville.
The flight was significantly delayed, which is what it is.
It was maintenance though, so it's good. It's better that we found it out on the ground than like at 30,000 feet.
Yeah. So that was good. They did a good job fixing it. It was a very smooth flight. And we had great service on the plane. Thank you, American.
Yeah. Considering the circumstances, you guys did fantastic.
Yeah, it was a good flight. We had some, comped snacks, which was nice.
See your neck, the sparkles.
I have sparkles. Oh, because of my sparkle jacket.
Yeah.
It's just because I am a sparkly vampire.
She's an angel.
And now we are in Miami, so we missed our connection. But that's okay, because we're at a very nice hotel, and we got upgraded to a beautiful suite.
Of course.
Because
That's the way I roll.
he gets that wherever he goes somehow.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go get some late night dinner in Miami.
You guys will see, maybe.
Yeah.
We are back from the food expedition.
Yes, mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Wasn't exactly the healthiest meal
No.
of our lives.
It was not. But you know what? Could have been worse.
I'm just kidding. No, okay.
But I mean, look, you guys
got food.
you guys know the famous saying.
When in doubt.
No, not that one.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Well, that's also one. That's a good one.
When in
It's not-
doubt, eat.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Because she like almost didn't eat a couple times earlier today, which.
I almost didn't eat lunch, and then we were delayed, and then I almost didn't eat a snack, and then we were delayed more. It was like, yeah, by the time I actually had like my next meal, it had been like many hours.
Yeah, we were delayed quite a number of times coming out of Barbados, but we are back, which is cool.
Yeah.
And
What
we got
was
a
the
suite.
saying you were gonna say? Is it the one? Let's see if you can say
You
this with a
guys-
straight face.
No. I'm sure people know this one.
Yeah.
There's a swear word in it, so it rhymes with, it's like dog Schmidt.
Mm-hmm.
So when life gives you dog Schmidt, make a chocolate protein shake. You guys know that one. That's like
totally
famous.
a very common saying.
Totally, everybody says it. It's
So
like on
that's what
Facebook.
we did today.
It's on the internet.
We made chocolate protein shakes today.
Out of our dog Schmidt situation.
Exactly. This
Any-
is how you have a happy life. You just roll with it and make it
I
good.
roll with it. It was kind of like I could get really upset or mad or whatever, or just not. Just make
That's
chocolate
actually
protein
a really
shakes.
good philosophy of life. I could get really mad, or I could not, and that's
I've generally been pretty chill. I don't, I could be pissed or not.
yeah. It is, a choice how you want to deal with situations. So we made tonight fun, regardless of the fact that we are not at home in our own bed. Like the
Which is
original
really
plan
comfortable, by the way.
was going to be with our amazing pillows.
Oh yeah, they're so
But
good.
we're in a really nice hotel. We got very unhealthy but yummy food, and here we are together
Life
in Miami.
Delta's dog Schmidt, and we made a chocolate protein shake. You guys know the saying.
Very famous
You guys
saying.
know it. Everybody knows that one. All right. Night.
Peace out. We are home. We made it back to Nashville.
Yay!